Hi there, welcome back to the studio. So I have been watching online many videos of artists doing different kinds of pours, and several of them have popped up on my feed of artists doing pours through funnels. So I have never tried one of those, and it's a little bit more of a liquidy mixture, so I'm going to try that today. So stay tuned and try that with me today. Alright, so I'm going to divide my canvas in half. I'm going to put a sage green on one side and a bronze, a very light bronze on the other. And then I'm going to stack a funnel, and everything is a little bit liquidy so that it can flow. We'll see how this works. Like I said, I have not done a funnel pour before, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. So we'll just try it. Alright, so I have my background covered with my sage and my bronze, a light bronze. And so next I'm going to put my funnel on here and start stacking my cups. So I have, I call this steel. It's kind of a brownish, silverish. Now this is a dark bronze. This is brown, which is made from my bronze and a little bit of metallic black. Let's try not to spill that. Put a little bit of lighter green. A little bit of actual black metallic. Some really light gold. As you can see, I'm just putting those in my funnel on different sides. I don't expect them to pour out evenly or in any specific pattern. I want to be surprised. And for this size funnel, I'll fill it about 2/3 of the way. And that should be able to take us all the way across the canvas. I like this brown. Sorry, I'm using a lot of it. I'm hoping that that works nicely. All right. I guess I should put a tiny bit more of this sage on there. It's kind of our accent color. All right, so now I begin by gently lifting, and then we move. Ha! I got a big blob. That's not what I wanted. Let me dump some of that off. So like I said, this is my first time doing this, so we're gonna see what we have. All right. I'm gonna go again on this side. Got some gold. That was just terrible. So we'll just keep on dumping that. Alright, I'm going to dump that one more time, and then we're going to travel that way. We'll see if we can't remedy that here in a little bit. All right, ready? Here we go. Well, I can only think of one way to remedy this, and that is to do it as a blowout. And then we'll see how that works. Oh, look at this, how beautiful. So some of it's working. Let me fix that in. Well, I'm going to have to play with this a little bit to see what I can do to fix this in, but I'm loving what this is going on with the rest of it. Alright, so what I'm going to try to do to remedy is just tilt some of that off and let this catch up with that pattern. And hopefully that will gain us something beautiful. So trying to get this to come down that way. And actually, it actually is turning out kind of nice. It's a little dark in one corner, but I like it. Alright, so this one ended up quite nice. I was worried about it, but once I dumped off the big blob at the end, it seemed to turn out very nicely. So we will make sure you get a look at it once it is totally dry, but this is how it finished, and I think it finally turned out nice. I still need some practice with those pours through a funnel, but turned out nice. Thanks for watching.